In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paid product in Whop. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to monetize your offerings and reach a wider audience with your products. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Whop website. Once you've navigated to Whop, you'll want to locate and click on the Products section from the menu on the left-hand side. This is your hub for managing the different products you offer, and it's where you'll create your new paid product. Now that you're in the Products section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Product. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to setting up a new product offering, and it's where the magic begins. Once you've clicked Create Product, you'll be taken to a new page where you can start defining the details of your product. Here, you'll want to focus on the Pricing section. Navigate through this area to set up how you want to charge for your product. Whop gives you a lot of flexibility here, so take your time to decide on a pricing structure that works best for you and your customers. After you've navigated the pricing options, the next step is to select Paid Access. Clicking on this option allows you to define the access levels and pricing tiers for your product. This is an essential step because it determines how users will be able to purchase and access your product. Make sure your pricing is competitive and reflects the value of what you're offering. So there you have it. You've just set up a paid product in Whop. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly powerful for anyone looking to monetize their skills, knowledge, or digital products. Remember, the key to success with paid products is making sure they provide real value to your customers. So take the time to refine and perfect what you're offering. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Good luck with your product creation, and I'll see you in the next video.